Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how to use the terminal on macOS. Feel free to pause the video at any time and read the screen if you need to. Before we start typing commands, it's important to understand the basic structure of the computer folders. This will help you to navigate the terminal with more confidence. At the very top we have the root directory, which is like the main folder of your system. Inside the root, there is the home directory. That's where we'll focus today. Because the home directory is the place where most of your personal files are stored, like documents, downloads, pictures, all the data you usually interact with through the desktop or graphical interface. We will see then some basic shell commands to navigate through the folders, and it's important to understand also syntaxes, which basically are just two right now. You will see just dot and double dots. It's also useful to know. Then we also have some shortcuts like double dots. Instead of using double dots, we can just use slash or tilde. And then the auto suggestions, which will be with the tab key, and it's very useful for you to know. And if we press Command plus spacebar, we can see this search bar. We type terminal, and then we are ready to type some commands into the terminal.